The gaming world thrives on anticipation, a palpable excitement that builds with every rumor and leak. The promise of new hardware, innovative games, and the potential for groundbreaking experiences keeps players on the edge of their seats, eagerly awaiting the next big thing in gaming. Few events generate as much excitement and fervor as the launch of a new console generation. Nintendo, with its rich history of groundbreaking consoles, knows this thrill well, having captivated gamers for decades. The announcement of the Nintendo Switch 2 has sent ripples of excitement throughout the gaming community, and for good reason. Players are eager to get their hands on the latest and greatest from the house of Mario, anticipating new adventures. The original Nintendo Switch, with its hybrid design and innovative Joy-Con controllers, redefined console gaming. It brought people together, offering both home console and portable gaming experiences in one sleek package, making gaming more accessible. The Switch's success has been nothing short of phenomenal, solidifying its place as one of Nintendo's most beloved consoles. Now, the Switch 2 is poised to carry the torch forward, promising even more power, better graphics, and enhanced gameplay. With a wealth of new experiences on the horizon, the future of gaming looks brighter than ever. After months of speculation and rumors, Nintendo has finally confirmed the launch date and pricing for the highly anticipated Nintendo Switch 2. This announcement has been eagerly awaited by fans and industry experts alike. Mark your calendars because June 5, 2025, is the day this gaming powerhouse hits store shelves. This date is expected to be a significant moment in the gaming world. As for the price, Nintendo is sticking with the premium price point of $449.99 for the standard console. This pricing strategy aligns with their previous premium product launches. This decision reflects the advanced technology packed into the Switch 2, promising a significant leap over its predecessor. The new hardware is designed to deliver an unparalleled gaming experience. While the $449.99 price tag might seem steep to some, it's important to remember the value proposition Nintendo offers. The console's features and capabilities justify the cost for many. The Switch 2 is not just a home console, it's a portable gaming powerhouse, seamlessly transitioning between docked and handheld modes. This versatility is a key selling point for the device. This hybrid nature, combined with Nintendo's signature first-party titles and innovative gameplay, justifies the price for many eager fans. The ability to play anywhere, anytime adds immense value. Moreover, the Switch 2 is not merely an incremental upgrade, it represents a generational leap in processing power and graphical fidelity, ensuring a smoother, more immersive gaming experience. This makes it a must-have for serious gamers. For those who can't wait to get their hands on the Nintendo Switch 2, pre-orders are your best bet. Nintendo has announced that pre-orders will begin on April 24, 2025, in the United States. This gives eager fans a little over a month to secure their console before the official launch. Given the Switch's immense popularity and the high demand expected for the Switch 2, pre-ordering is highly recommended to avoid potential stock shortages and lengthy shipping delays. Retailers across the country will be accepting pre-orders, both online and in physical stores. Major retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, GameStop, and Walmart are expected to offer pre-order options, along with Nintendo's official website. Be sure to check with your preferred retailer for their specific pre-order process and any potential bonuses or incentives they might be offering. With pre-orders opening soon, it's time to finalize your purchase plans and secure your spot in line for Nintendo's next-generation console. Nintendo understands that gamers have different needs and preferences. To cater to a wider audience, the company will be offering a special bundle alongside the standard Nintendo Switch 2 console. For those looking for the ultimate Mario Kart experience, the bundle priced at $499.99 will include a copy of the highly anticipated Mario Kart World. This bundle offers a fantastic value proposition, essentially providing the game at a discounted price compared to purchasing it separately. Speaking of games, Mario Kart World isn't the only title launching alongside the Switch 2. Nintendo has confirmed that Donkey Kong Bonanza will also be available on launch day, priced at $69.99. This action-packed adventure promises to push the Switch 2's hardware to its limits, delivering stunning visuals and exhilarating gameplay. With these launch titles, Nintendo is showcasing the console's capabilities and offering a taste of the incredible gaming experiences to come. Section 5. The price of innovation, accessories. See adjustments. While the Nintendo Switch 2's base console price remains unchanged from its initial announcement, the same cannot be said for its accessories. The accessories have seen a notable shift in their pricing structure. Nintendo has revealed that the prices of certain accessories have been adjusted due to fluctuating market conditions. This move is aimed at balancing the costs incurred during production and distribution. These adjustments reflect the ongoing global economic landscape and its impact on manufacturing and distribution costs. Factors such as raw material shortages and increased shipping fees play a significant role. While this news might disappoint some, it's important to remember that these price changes are often unavoidable in today's market. Companies must adapt to survive and continue providing quality products. Among the accessories affected by these price adjustments are the Pro Controller, now priced at $84.99, reflecting its advanced features and build quality, and the Joy-Con 2-pair, available for $94.99. These controllers have also seen enhancements that justify the new pricing. These prices, while slightly higher than their predecessors, reflect the improved features and enhanced functionality of the new accessories. The investment ensures a better gaming experience. The Pro Controller boasts better ergonomics, longer battery life, and refined rumble features, making it a worthy upgrade for serious gamers. While the Joy-Con 2 controllers offer improved motion controls and increased durability. These enhancements ensure that players have a more immersive and reliable gaming experience. Section 6. Market forces at play, the possibility of future price changes. In an era of economic uncertainty, Nintendo has acknowledged the possibility of future price adjustments to both the Nintendo Switch 2 console and its accompanying games. This cautious approach is understandable given the unpredictable nature of global markets. Factors such as inflation, component shortages, and shipping costs can all influence the final price of consumer electronics. Nintendo's transparency regarding potential price changes is commendable. It allows consumers to make informed purchasing decisions, knowing that prices may fluctuate based on market conditions. This approach also reflects Nintendo's commitment to sustainability and long-term stability. By adjusting prices strategically, the company can navigate economic challenges while continuing to deliver high-quality gaming experiences. Section 7. Nintendo's apology addressing pre-order delays. In the lead-up to the Nintendo Switch 2's pre-order announcement, there was a slight hiccup. Nintendo, in a move that surprised many, issued an apology for a delay in opening pre-orders. While the delay itself was relatively minor, the fact that Nintendo acknowledged it and apologized speaks volumes about the company's commitment to its customers. In today's fast-paced world where delays are often brushed aside, Nintendo's gesture of accountability is refreshing. The apology, though brief, served as a reminder that behind the corporate facade, there are real people working hard to bring joy to gamers worldwide. It humanized the brand and fostered a sense of understanding between Nintendo and its loyal fanbase. This gesture, however small, reinforces the trust and goodwill that Nintendo has cultivated over decades of delivering exceptional gaming experiences. Section 8. The value proposition. Assessing the Switch 2's worth. With all the information available, the question remains, is the Nintendo Switch 2 worth the price? The answer, as with most things in life, is nuanced. For gamers seeking cutting-edge graphics and raw processing power, other consoles on the market might be a better fit. However, the Switch 2's strength lies in its unique hybrid nature and Nintendo's unparalleled first-party titles. The ability to seamlessly transition from a home console experience to a portable gaming device is a game-changer. It caters to modern lifestyles, allowing gamers to enjoy their favorite titles wherever they go. Combine this with Nintendo's signature charm, innovative gameplay mechanics, and family-friendly titles, and the Switch 2 becomes a compelling proposition for a wide range of gamers. Section 9. Conclusion. A new era of gaming awaits. The Nintendo Switch 2's arrival marks the beginning of a new era for Nintendo and its loyal fanbase. With its enhanced hardware, innovative features, and a promising lineup of games, the Switch 2 is poised to carry the torch forward, pushing the boundaries of gaming and entertainment. While the price might seem steep to some, the value proposition is undeniable. The Switch 2 offers a unique blend of power, portability, and Nintendo magic, making it a worthy contender in the ever-evolving world of gaming consoles. As June 5th approaches, anticipation continues to build. The Nintendo Switch 2 represents more than just a new console, it represents the future of Nintendo's gaming legacy. Only time will tell what adventures await. But one thing is certain, the future of gaming is bright, and the Nintendo Switch 2 is ready to illuminate the way.